Namaskar, this is a random guy from VIH Group and I welcome you to the first new episode of Hack News. So let's get started. So the first news is related to Linux. So Linux malware sees 35% growth during 2021. So the numbers of malware infected on Linux-based IoT devices rose by 35% in 2021. Compared to the previous year's number, the principal goal was recruiting devices to be a part of DDoS attack. Now the second news is related to a hackers group. So a financially motivated Fin7 hackers group targeting US business firms with bad US devices. So this is spreading a lot nowadays in the US business firms departments. Now the very big news is coming from Aditya Birla. So Aditya Birla Fashion data leaked online. Our 5 million email addresses has been breached. So the data breach is said to include details of employees including salary detail, religions and their marital status. So the database had been leaked by a hacker group known as Shiny Hunters. Now the next news is coming from the house of MSI. So multiple vulnerabilities spotted in MSI digital asset. Researchers discovered numerous security vulnerabilities in the system belonging to the Taiwan IT giant MicroStar International Corporation Limited. Exploiting these vulnerabilities could allow remote code execution attack on MSI digital asset. So fortunately, the tech giant promptly addressed the matter before any exploitations occur. The next news is related to hackers attack. According to a post from Palo Alto Network Unit 42, hackers are targeting real estate website via video platform. Especially the researchers found over 100 websites belonging to the same parent firms infected by the same web schemers. Analyzing further reveals that those real estate websites imported the same malicious video from a cloud hosting platform. Now the next news related to Lawrence ransomware. So Lawrence ransomware gang stole files from defense contractor Hensoldt. So this week a Hensoldt spokesperson confirmed that the security breach explaining that a small number of mobile devices is in UK subsidies has been affected. Now the last news is related to a malware campaign. So a crypto mining campaign has been ongoing for years and is continuously evolving defense evasion techniques to stay undetected. The campaign is named Autumn Owing to the shell script that start the attack. So that's all for today. So today's question is till now, which ransomware name you have heard mostly? So comment down your views in the comment section and we'll give a shout out to the best answer next day. So thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.